Good morning, student. I am B.N. Pandey and I am going to take class 9 hydrogen chapter, hydrogen topic at today for the discussion. Hydrogen, it is also very important element of in our periodic table as well as in our nature. This hydrogen word basically made up of two words. You can see that hydro and gen. Hydro word stand for water and gen stand for generating. It means water generating. If you compile these words, it means water generating element. Generating element या substance. So by this way, hydrogen is water generating element. And so what happens that whenever hydrogen burns, in air, especially oxygen. So what happens? Hydrogen when burns in air, oxygen, it gives water. Very simple equation, that is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. So by this way, in the name of hydrogen, its property hidden. The property hidden in the name of substance element. Now it is about the hydrogen position in periodic table. So its atomic configuration. So in case of hydrogen, we know that hydrogen has only one proton in it and it has one electron around nucleus. So the structure of hydrogen is like little bit this way. It is nucleus portion with one proton, no neutrons, and one electron revolve around it. It is structure of hydrogen. Since it is only one proton and one electrons, it is known as first element of the periodic table or lightest element. Lightest element. Hydrogen is lightest element because it has only one proton and one electron. And if it loses its electron due to any reasons, during chemical reactions, only proton portion of nucleus is left. So sometimes question asked that name the element which remains or which gives nucleus or which forms proton by the loss of electrons. In which protons left by the loss of electrons. The question asked that which element gives protons by the loss of electrons. That is which atom gives proton by the loss of electrons. That is your hydrogen. Now hydrogen is lightest element placed in group 1. Group 1, first A in the periodic table, extremely left portion, extremely left wing of the periodic table, first part. If you see hydrogen, then lithium, then sodium, then potassium, and so on. The sequence. Number of proton is 1, number of electron is 1, and it has no any neutrons in it. Atomic mass number is its 1, mass number is also 1. So by this way, hydrogen is prepared. But if you see its properties, we will come to know that hydrogen is more active due to its dual nature. It shows dual property. In many chemical reactions, at the place of losing its one electrons, it get ready to become to take one extra electrons from the other portion, other element, and change into noble gas like helium. So due to this reason, hydrogen plays dual roles. One protons, it already has one electrons, it has. If from anywhere it gain one electrons, then it become the like helium being containing one protons in center, but it act like helium in the electronic configuration. Helium atoms. It presents. It resembles to helium atoms, being similar into electronic configuration. And this one is proton. Now here it is question. So what are those properties? So due to this reason, hydrogen is ready to gain electron also, as well as hydrogen ready to lose electron also. We sort out the position. Yeah, there is no definite position of hydrogen in the periodic tables. If you see, the actual periodic tables are just justified. So in that, hydrogen present in group 1 and group 17 both. So first of all, we will see that what are the properties which resembles of hydrogen with group 1. In case of that, group 1 element is also known as your alkali metals. Group 1 element also called alkali metals. So alkali metals are what? Group 1 are alkali metals. In that, hydrogen, what it do? So hydrogen normally take your first of all electronic configurations point out here. In case of electronic configuration, hydrogen has 1 electrons in K cell. Sodium, if you see, it has 2 K, 8 L and 1 M. This arrangement. If you see the lithium, then 2 K and 1 L. 1. It means it had 1 electron in their valence cell and similar configuration. Similar configuration in valence cell. It is its first character which make it similar to elements of group 1. Then after, second, its valence electron. So valence electrons are 1, which is similar to group 1 element. Third, its electropositive character. In case of electropositive character, hydrogen, when loses 1 electrons, it forms hydrogen ion, and same way like sodium, when loses 1 electrons, gives sodium ion. So hydrogen gives hydrogen ion, sodium gives sodium ion, lithium gives lithium ion. By this way, electropositive characters of hydrogen, sodium, lithium, and these are maintained. Then there it is, fourth property of hydrogen, in which make it similar to the group 1 is its univalent ions. Univalent ions means monopositive charged. Monopositive ions formed by hydrogen, like elements of group 1. Group 1. You can see the examples. Electropositive character and a univalent. Same examples, two different terms. Electropositive means positive formation, positive charges, and univalent means single charges. One monovalent, monopositive charge, monopositive charge. Then it is, it's one more property, that is reducing agent. Since hydrogen help in reduction by the lossing of electrons, so hydrogen help in reduction. In reduction by giving its electron. Therefore, it acts as reducing agent. Therefore, it acts as reducing agent. Like elements of group 1. Elements of group 1. Now we are going to focus on character of group 17. That what are the properties of hydrogen which are similar to group 17. In that we will talk about one by one about them, and we are discuss about it, and then it gives us clear information about the chemical properties of hydrogen. In that, properties of hydrogen similar to group 17. Group 17, that is halogens. Halogen group. In case of group 17, we will first so many properties in case of that. And in the starting, I told you that as hydrogen can lose electrons, same way hydrogen can gain electrons also. So in case of that, first was electronic configuration. If you see, it has, hydrogen has one electron in their valence cell, which needed one more electrons and for the gaining of stability. And same way, if you see the fluorine which has 2 and 7 electrons, 2 and 7 electrons, it also needed 1 electron to become noble to your argon, sorry, neon. It becomes equal to neon by gaining of 1 electrons. Second one, valency. So as hydrogen, if gain 1 electrons, it will become H minus. Same way, fluorine by gaining 1 electrons become F minus, and chlorine also can gain electrons and become Cl minus. Third one, in case of hydrogen, in case of halogen and hydrogens, there is electronegative character. जैसे वहाँ there is electropositive ions, here is electronegative ions. So here lithium, in case of that hydrogen has 1 electron, gain its 1 electron and become H minus, which is equal to 2 and 2 electrons, and it is equal to helium. Same way, negative ion formations. Then here chlorine, which has 17, gain 1 electrons and forms negative ions with 18 electrons, which is similar to argon. So by this way, electronegative negative ions formed by the hydrogen during the chemical reactions. And third properties, if we take, so in case of third property, it's bond formation. Third already discussed. Fourth property. Fourth property, or if we talk, that is fourth property of hydrogen is its bonding. As group 1 element forms ionic bond with non-metals. Yeah, you can say that as group 17, as elements of group 17. So bonding and its nature. So hydrogen forms ionic bond with group 1 with elements of group 1, like group 1 and group 2, like group 17 element, group 17 elements. How? So you can see that H2 plus 2Na, it gives 2NaH. Similarly, Cl2 plus 2Na gives 2NaCl. Similarly, H2 plus Ca gives CaH2. Same way, Cl2 plus Ca gives CaCl2. So by this way, it forms ionic bond, as well as like group 17 elements, it forms covalent bonding with the same kind of element. Covalent or with non-metals. Hydrogen forms covalent bonding with same metals or with same elements are non-metals. So if you see that hydrogen forms covalent bonding with group with non-metals and same other hydrogen atom also. So for example, you can see that CCl4, C plus 2Cl2, it gives CCl4. Similarly, C plus 2H2 gives CH4, N2 plus 3H2, 2NH3, N2 plus 3Cl2, 2NCl3, and so on. So now by this way, if you see its own bonding, so as hydrogen plus hydrogen, it gives hydrogen molecules. Same way, chlorine plus chlorine gives chlorine molecule. And by this way, its positive chemical bonding and its nature get created. Now about hydrogen and its bonding is clarified by the help of, so these are the certain properties of hydrogen which help to clarify that hydrogen similar in properties to group 1 and group 17 both. Due to this reasons, hydrogen still has no fixed place in their periodic table and its dual positions are still maintained. Then it is, so tomorrow we will talk about preparation of hydrogen and about its other properties and industrial methods. These are what